Hi everyone, welcome back. I tell you, there has been so much going on here in the last couple weeks that I broke down and I bought a pool. I bought a swimming pool. So we have been trying to get that together. Friday evening, and I'm keeping it simple tonight because my kids want to come over. I don't know if you guys watch it, that little, I don't know if it's Netflix, Tubi, whatever those are, but it's a series of like scary type series. That's what it is, a series, I guess. It's called Stranger Things. Well, the new episodes or whatever comes out tonight, and everybody wanted to come over, and they're like, we're gonna come over and, you know, let's have food. And that's what we do. We like to eat. We like to eat. But like I said, we've been really busy. They're coming over tonight. I don't know what. I was gonna make some queso, but I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to make some queso. It is the holiday weekend, the 4th of July weekend. I was gonna have a big cookout for my whole family, but I decided not to because of the pool. I just want to get it up. I want to get it up. Your girl is ready to go swimming. I've never had a pool in my life, and I'm ready to get it up. We got the ground tilled up, turned over, and we had some sand delivered in. Like I said, I'll show you some clips of that. And tomorrow, what I would like to do is finish getting the ground leveled so we can get the pool up. We got to get it up so we can get some water in it. Swim, you know, swim. I'm just like, it's just like it seems like it's a long process, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Plus, I gotta show you, my neighbor's got some new goats. They got like 6 of them, so down on the farm back in here, I'm telling you, down on the farm. This evening, I'm just making us some spaghetti and a salad, something simple. I done a Walmart, or I'm sorry, a Kroger's little Instacart today. Had them bring me some groceries because I need groceries. I probably, honestly, and I tell you this all the time, and it's the truth. It's the truth. I haven't been to the groceries in forever, so I thought it was about time. So I didn't want to get out. It's hot. I needed to clean my house. Got it semi-cleaned, and I bought a few groceries. I got some sushi. That's what's most important. I got sushi. I figured I'm gonna make some spaghetti tonight. I'm not doing any homemade sauce. I'm cheating. I am cheating. But I don't know if I've showed you this. I'm gonna make us a salad too. But my 2 favorite sauces if I make spaghetti and I don't make homemade sauce, I like to mix the Hunt's herb and garlic. What is going on? I don't know what's going on with my hair. I swear, I never know what's going on with my hair. And the ragu with the meat. I like to mix those. They're just so good together. And you know what? It's a cheap meal if you're on a budget. Very cheap. I think I paid, sometimes you can get these for $1. And then I think this was like $2.29. Box of spaghetti's $1. You could feed a family of 4 with that. And under $5, you can't beat it. So there's a wasp outside my window, and I better stay out there. I'm gonna cut some veggies because we're gonna do a salad as well. And you know, I figured if nothing else happens this weekend, I made me a cake. I made me a chocolate cake. I normally just make those, you know, like when we have cookouts or have family over, or, you know, whatever, homemade delicious cake. And I thought, if nothing else happens, if I get aggravated, if I anything, whatever, I got cake. I got a chocolate cake. That's what matters. I'm gonna go ahead and get my, whoops, did you see that? Get my lettuce chopped up. I just chop it. Some people peel it. You know what my mom always said was that, you know, if you use a knife to cut your lettuce, if you're doing a salad, it says it turns brown faster, it makes brown edges or something like that. I don't know. I just kind of chop mine. Some people like it pulled apart. My husband, if we get salad, he don't like if he gets this hunk like that, he don't like it, but I like it. What I normally do is just cut the lettuce up and put it in a bowl, and then I cut the stuff and put it on the side, and then that way they can add whatever they want to their salad. But I'm just gonna make a big salad, and what they don't want, they can take out. I usually end up cutting the whole head of lettuce up because We're salad eaters. My husband loves salad. I mean, you can't tell by looking at us, but damn, we do like salad. So I'm just gonna make a nice big salad, and that way when the kids come over later this evening and if we're watching, if they're hungry, you know, they can heat them some spaghetti up, and they got a nice fresh salad. I'm gonna get the rest of this lettuce cut up, and then I'm gonna start on I'm just putting lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes. I bought some croutons, some onions. If they want cheese, they can put cheese in it. Just whatever. Whatever they want in it. I've got some pepperoncinis. I think that's what you call them. And I like beets in my salad. I like garbanzo beans. I like those pickled green beans that you can buy in a can that you get off of, you know, like if you go somewhere and get a salad at the salad bar. You know how they have those like 3-bean pickled salad, whatever. I love those things. See, that's my nice big bowl. I like boiled eggs in my salad too. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cucumber cut up. Easy was that. And like I said, I'm going to I got some boiled eggs that I made earlier today. I love boiled eggs in salad. We got some croutons. If they want to add some of the pepperoncinis, however you pronounce them, they can do that. I got some good dressing. I like to make it in big bowls like this because you can put the lid on it and then you can just give it a toss. So we decided to get a pool. Not a very big pool, but it's like a 22 by 52. So we just paid someone to come out and till this up. Which, that's gonna be a pretty good sized pool if you look at it. It'll be big enough for my crew, right? So we're working on getting the ground leveled, and then we're gonna have some sand brought in. And then hopefully we'll be splashing around. So the neighbors got some new goats. There's Miss Holly. Hi, Holly. Hi, sweetheart. Look at Holly. She's so pretty. She's a pretty girl. Look, there's goats. Oh, gosh. I'm not sure if they'll let me pet them or not. I don't know if they bite. Look at that big one. He got a beard. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. There was some little goats around here somewhere. Like they still got their chickens. God, it smells bad. There's a little goat. See the little goat? Let's focus in on it. Look at all the chickens they got. They got several goats. Little baby one back there. All the way back there. They got a nice little setup, but man, I tell you. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Look at that goat. Look at him. He's kind of creepy looking. Ugh. What you doing there? What you doing? I was going to buy those like little pieces of cement block to put the legs on. I wonder if I should have done that. It's a slow process, guys, but look, we had the sand delivered and it looks absolutely so good underneath there. Progression. Literally took, what, less than an hour to put up?
10 minutes, I thought.
10 minutes. That's what he said, but it did. It took over 10 minutes. Look how deep it is. I'm like literally gonna need a floating device. It's really big. I'll show you how big it is. I'll come out some. Look at that. It's a 22 by 52. It's a big one. So now all I have to do is have the water hauled in. I think I'm going to call Monday and see if we can't get it hauled in. Good going, guys. That right there, friends, is the end result. And it's a lot of fun. So it was well worth it. Ain't that right?
What?
Just say yes.
Yeah.
What you think of the pool?
Wet.
It's wet. That's the story.